in a crimson hue, chasing dreams I once outgrew. The wind hums a song I used to know, calling me back where the wildflowers grow. Golden dust highway leading me home through the endless miles where the lost souls roam. Footsteps vanish, but the stories remain, carved in the dust, washed by the rain. Tired hands and a restless heart. Every road feels like a brand new start. Neon lights flicker on the desert sky, but I keep driving, don't ask why. The wind hums a song I used to know, calling me back where the wildflowers, golden dust highway leading me home through the endless miles where the lost souls roam. Footsteps vanish, but the stories remain, carved in the dust, washed by the rain. Så den Gud jag fann del I can know. Maybe this goes in the chrome all can know. Maybe this road's been home all along.
Si Eric. Uwi na. For work tayo.